Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you guys how to reset and restore your iPhone 7 Plus. Alright, so before we begin guys, go ahead and please give this video a like. It really helps the video out a lot. I want to see how many likes this video can get. And if the video helps you out, please go ahead and share it as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video now. Alright, so let's say that, maybe you have a password and you can't get into the phone, or you just want to reset the phone and erase everything on it back to its factory condition so that the phone can start working normally again. Maybe it's freezing up and acting weird. Maybe it's disabled like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you now how we're going to go ahead and reset it. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to connect your phone with a USB cable to your computer or Mac. And you need to have iTunes installed, preferably the latest version of iTunes available. Okay, so once you have it connected like this, what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time. So just continue to hold them both until the phone powers off. There you go. Once you hear that, you can let go of the... There you go. And then you're going to just continue to hold volume down. Alright, once the computer reads it and this message shows up here on the computer, you can let go of the volume down. It's going to say iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this iPhone before it can be used. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead and hit restore. Restore and update. So here it's asking me to that we need to accept to download the software. I guess I don't have it downloaded, so it's going to be downloading up here. So we're going to wait a few minutes until it downloads, and then the reset process will begin. While this is downloading, the phone might turn on again, so we may have to do this again on the phone, but at least the software to reset it is downloading now. So we're going to wait till this is done first. There you go. So yeah, it looks like the phone is automatically turning on. Yours is probably going to do the same thing as well. If it turns on, just let it power on. It doesn't matter. We just need to first make sure that the iOS software up here completely downloads. Alright, so there you go. It just finished downloading right now, the software, the iPhone. Like I said, once again, it did turn back on, so we're going to have to do it once again. Once again, we're going to press the volume down and the power button. Just continue to hold them both until the phone powers off. And you hear the sound on the computer. Once you do, let go of the power button and just continue to hold volume down. Obviously with the cable connected to the computer. And once you see the connect to iTunes, you're good to go. So I'm just going to place it right here so we can view the process. So the message is going to show up once again, update or restore. We're going to hit restore. And then here we're going to hit restore and update. And then now, as you can see, it's extracting the software up here. And it's going to install the new software that was just downloading. So we're going to give that a few seconds. Alright, there you go. So it looks like it's done. This message should come up. It says your iPhone has been restored to its factory settings. It's going to automatically close it out and bypass that. And then all we're going to have to do now is just wait until this bar loads all the way up. And there we go. Once the bar loads all the way to the end, it's going to automatically take you here to the initial setup of the phone. So you can now go ahead and disconnect the cable. So now all you have to do is go ahead and go through the settings and activate the phone. And there we go. Once you go through all the steps, you're gonna get to the home screen and you should be able to start using your phone normally again. It's gonna be completely wiped, so you're gonna have nothing in here. If you need to restore your data, then you would go into your settings and log into your iCloud, or connect it to iTunes and restore from a saved backup. All right, everyone. So that was just a quick video on how to restore your iPhone 7 Plus. All right, so hope this video helped you out. Please give this video a like. It really helps the video out a lot, and I will see you guys around in the next video. Peace.